Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the Stripe payment gateway method into your e-commerce website so that the visitors on your website can be able to make payments on your e-commerce website. So here is how to do that in an easy step by step. So let me quickly show you exact thing to do and you'll be able to integrate it to your website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the stripe.com here. So stripe.com, go to their website. So you want to sign up and register your account there. So here you want to go right here. Let's remove this thing here. So you want to sign up here. You want to click this button here. And you want to, if you already sign up, you can just enter your email here. If not, you have to sign up here. You go down here, sign up down here. You click that, so you'll be able to register your account from there. So I've never signed up, so let me sign up for the first time here. So let's say I want to sign up with my email here. There, so my name, enter your name there, country, password, and whatever my password is. So if you want Stripe to be emailing you about their stuff, you can just tick this thing here. If not, you may leave it as it is, then create your account right away. So now when you sign up, so you're going to go back to your email address. We're going to verify your email address here. So here you're going to open your email. So here is the email here. So you want to verify. So you want to click on this email here. So you want to click verify email address. So it will take you back to the Stripe dashboard. So you're going to activate the payment. So you want to activate the payment. So you are going to enter your details here. So the business type, business location, Italy, type of business, personal. Then you click continue. Then here you are going to fill up your personal details here. Your name, last name, birthday, and all the details, all your details here. You are going to fill everything and you are ready to go. So I'm just gonna fill my own here. So here you are going to enter your bank details here. So you are going to enter your VAT here, destination code here, certificate, email address, back, select industry, your website, and description. So I'm going to enter my right now. So here you want to know how you are going to be shipping the product. So if you are going to be shipping your product yourself, or the products are going to be shipped by a third party. So if you are an affiliate, you can just choose. No, the product is going to be shipped by the third party. So if you're an affiliate, you can choose this. If you have product that you want to sell, so you are going to be shipped on your own, you can choose yes. So yeah, so yeah, I want to know how many days the product will be received by your visitors. So if somebody buy on your website, I want to know how many days the product is going to arrive to the buyer. So you can choose from here: 1 day, 2 weeks, 1 month. So for example, let me choose 2 weeks. So let's go. So yeah, they want you to add some short message for your buyer says. You can just say thanks. and you eat, when you finish, you click continue. So here is where you can change which currency you want to be using, euro. So depend on the currency, you can choose the currency that you want to be using here. Euro, dollar, if it is dollar, you can choose dollar. Country or bank accounts. So I'm in Italy, so I just should you choose your bank where you are. So now you are going to put your bank details here and IBAN here. Okay, so you are going to continue here. So now let me put my own here, and we are ready to go. So here, if you want to use double authentication, you want to use authentication, you can use app also. You can add security key. You can use SMS. So they send you SMS. So if you like, you can do it. If not, so let's continue here. So now your account. So here is your account, and you are ready to go review and finish up. So these are your account details here. So now that you have created everything here, everything is complete. So you want to click agree and submit down here. Then you are ready to go. So your account is now active. So now let's integrate this. Let's connect this thing. Alright, now to connect this Stripe gateway payment method into your website, you have to download the plugin. So to download the plugin, I want to go ahead to your website and I want to go to the plugins area and I want to go down here and add new. So when you click add new, it will take you to where you can add new plugins to your website. So let's say I want to add new plugin. So I'm just gonna paste the name here and I'm gonna type Stripe Gateway. So right there. So these are the plugins. So I've already downloaded this. So now let's go ahead and activate it. So activate it here and set things up. Now, so that's how you download the plugin to your website. So now let's collect everything together right here. Alright, now that you've added the plugin and you've signed up for your account, so now let's configure the Stripe to our account. So let's click configure Stripe here. So we're going to want to connect with Stripe here. So now you want to select the accounts that you want to connect with. So this is the account right here. This is the account we just created here. So if you want to create new accounts, you can create new account here. But since we've already created our account here, so you just click connect here. Now we're going to enter the password here. The password there, and you are going to log in. Now a verification code will come to your. They will send you a verification code to your phone. So as you can see right now, I've got it. So let me type my verification code here, and you are ready to go. So now let's connect. So now, as you can see right now, our Stripe account has been connected. People can now be able to make a payment on this website. So now you can customize. From here, you can customize your settings here. So here you can customize your setting, your Stripe card processing. So you can leave it like this, or if you like, you can customize something else. So I'm just gonna leave this like this and see. So now you can make payment on your website. So now let's try things out. Let's say I want to buy something here. Let's say I want to buy this oil here, this natural oil, and I click on it. Then I add it to chart. Now let's go to chart. and make payment. Let's proceed to checkout. So now we can enter all your billings here and you are ready to go. These are cards that customers can use to pay for on your website. So when they pay, Stripe is gonna inform you that you've made a sale. That's how you add Stripe to how you incorporate Stripe gateway account to your website. So if you guys have any question or you have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.